Welcome. If you've noticed that you're not getting updates every time someone reposts your content on X, formerly known as Twitter, this quick guide will help you fix that. The latest web update changed where some settings are located, so let's walk through the simple steps to turn on repost notifications on X for PC. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Once you're logged into your account, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. From there, click on Notifications. This is where you'll find all your alert preferences, but we're going to go one step deeper to adjust how repost notifications behave. In the Notifications menu, select Settings. You'll be taken to a new section where several categories appear. Next, click on Preferences. This is where you can manage push notifications, mentions, tags, and interactions related to your post. Now, choose Push Notifications. Once you're inside that section, scroll down a bit until you find the part labeled Related to You and Your Post. Here you'll see different options for the types of activities you want to be notified about. Look for the category called Reposts. By default, this option might be turned off or set to From People You Follow. To make sure you never miss any repost activity, change it to From Anyone. This way, you'll get a notification whenever someone, whether they follow you or not, reposts your post. After selecting From Anyone, you don't need to save anything manually. The setting updates automatically and you're ready to go. You can close the tab or continue exploring other settings to customize your notification experience even more. That's it. You've now turned on repost notifications on X using the web version on your PC. With this simple tweak, you'll stay on top of every repost and keep track of how your content is being shared across the platform. Thanks for watching.